Hey, this is Driving with Myles. We're going to talk about leaving a gas station. As you can tell, there are a lot of cars coming in and out, and gas stations are very dangerous places. So you as the driver, you get your gas. I like to park on the end because cars are coming in and out, people are asleep, people are getting off shifts. You really have to be careful. So we've got some fuel, and now I'm checking my gauges to make sure we're good. I have enough gasoline to do what I need to do. The temperature is starting to warm up. You can see my oil pressure is normally in this range. The voltage temperature is battery voltage is 14.4, so that's excellent. And then next we have the oil temperature, which is 136 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my foot on the brake. I'm looking around, checking, and then I'm gradually gonna come out, always looking around. So I'm just going through, checking. You see me looking. The best advice I can give you for a beginning driver, you gotta come up, you have to use your eyes. You can't be looking at your phone, looking down. You gotta look left, right, left. And I'm going in the nearest lane, and I will be making a right turn. So I'm going up, and this is a great teachable moment for driver's education. So I'm looking, I look at traffic through my driver's side window. Literally look. You're waiting for a gap. A gap's the space between traffic. I'm moving forward, I'm moving up. Here's my gap, and I go into the nearest lane. So that's that SRT power. Everything's good. Checking the blood pressure. I'm checking the oil pressure, which is normal. She'll go up as you accelerate. I'm making a lane change to the left, so it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I look over my shoulder. I cancel my blinker. I will be making a left-hand turn up here. So this is another great teachable moment. If you're looking for the broken line where you merge in, and this is where you merge in. I like to have students get in just about at the right time. A lot of students get in too late, you run out of room. A lot of students get in too early. So now I'm set up for a beautiful protected left turn. I have a blinking yellow. Traffic will move forward. On your DMV test or road test, this is the type of left-hand turn you'll make. So I'm allowing traffic to move up. You got to really be aware. The most dangerous area is intersections for pedestrians, for drivers. So you just have to be patient. I'm just waiting patiently. And the biggest thing you can do is just sit and watch, learn, and listen. So they're all looking for a gap. And when there's a gap, they'll make their turn. I'm looking, here's my gap. I go in the nearest lane. Okay, it's a really nice turn. And I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the right. And I'm gonna make a right-hand turn. And I'm turning hand over hand. And I'm showing you how your steering needs to be. I'm gonna go ahead and do a U-turn. So I'm gonna come in and look at my hands and look where I look. I'm looking where I want to go. A lot of beginning drivers look at the steering wheel. Look where you want to go. Then I turn out hand over hand. I'm gonna make a left-hand turn. And for a lot of beginning drivers and experienced drivers, this is the most stressful thing that brings anxiety. You have to make a left-hand turn. Everything is at an angle. So you wait for a safe gap to the left, a safe gap to the right, and you're patient. And this is where experience and patience really shine. So the light down there is turning yellow. I still have a nice gap here. Traffic is coming now, but I'm taking my time. Here's my gap. Okay, I'm looking, and then I make the turn. That's how you make a really nice turn. I'm gonna make a left-hand turn into the middle lane, but you see we have to share, and I'm getting close as I can, and then I stop. And I have to make a left-hand turn in here, but I'm yielding to traffic. I'm taking my time, and I want you to understand how it works. I'm clear, here's my gap. I turn hand over hand, and I turn out hand over hand. This vehicle is like a big beast. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been teaching driver's education 21 years. I'm doing tutorials on driver's education, reverse parallel parking, left turns, right turns, whatever you need. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Driving with the Myles. I have some great content coming. Thank you.